The numbers are out from Pro Farmer, so what do they mean going forward? Agnews Michelle Rook talks with Lane Akre of Pro Farmer in Markets Now.
Well, soybeans up on Friday, kind of a mixed bag in the corn market. Lane Akre, Pro Farmer economist, is joining us, and we want to talk a little bit about the Pro Farmer estimates, which came out after the close of trade on Friday, and the numbers a little bit smaller than what USDA had. Can you share those?
Yeah, average corn yield of 182.7 on a national basis. That brings production to 16.204 using USDA's harvested acres. The FSA certified acres say those numbers are pretty reasonable, so we're sticking with those for both corn and beans. Average bean yield of 53 bushels per acre. That's production of 4.246 billion bushels. On corn, we've got a range of 1% on either end. The top end is 184.5 bushels, and it's down to 180.9. Beans, our top end is 54.1 bushels to the acre, and our bottom end is 51.9. We have a 2% variance on that.
So, Lane, do you feel like the biggest yield numbers are now worked into the corn and soybean markets? And do you think USDA will go down from here?
Yeah, their August estimates, they're a snapshot in time, and that was at the beginning of August, and that was at 188.8 that we saw, and it was very hyped. Expectations were very high, and we think that's going to be the high print. We took our snapshot in the third week of August, and it looks like the crop's really deteriorated. Disease is really taking hold across the center of the Midwest. We've seen tar spot in the vast majority of the fields that we sampled. Southern rust was really prevalent, and we took that into consideration with these national production numbers. We just think it's going to weigh a bit on that national average.
Yeah, it felt like the market late last week was actually trying to build in some of these disappointments from the tour. Do you think we can kind of build on that with the higher weekly closes we had in both corn and soybeans this next week?
The price action has been pretty promising, and we kind of noticed that when Illinois was really coming in below expectations, and the market's been working to put in bottoms, it seems like, after that crop production report from USDA. So it looks like we've had some bullish news on the EPA front as well. And I think the corn market's going to be able to at least try to work higher over the next couple of weeks, but the next couple of trading days is going to be really key.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks for joining us. That's Lane Akre. He is economist with Pro Farmer. We'll have more Ag Day coming out.